Laking panghihinayang ni Wembanyama dahil sa huling segundo ng fourth quarter may pag-asa pa sanang makalamang ang San Antonio Spurs kung hindi lang sana nangyari ang play na ito.
The rebound, 12 seconds remaining. Stolen by Brunson. And now
At Karl Anthony Towns sinigawan lang ang alien matapos itong dakdakan. Sayang naman ang sanang for the win ni Wembanyama. Nanalo nga ang New York Knicks sa Game 2 sa score na 105-104 laban sa San Antonio Spurs. First quarter pa lang ay agad nang nakalamang ang San Antonio Spurs, ngunit pagtagal-tagal ay nahahabol na din ng New York Knicks ang lead ng Spurs dahil na din sa balanseng opensa ng Knicks. Maganda naman na naging laruan ni Wembanyama na umiscore ng 29 points, 11 out of 21 sa field.
stops. Finds Wemby inside with the flush. Wembanyama takes the three now, drives on Robinson, gets inside, layup is drives to the basket. Alvarado gets inside, flips it up, swatted.
At bumawi naman si De'Aaron Fox na malas ng Game 1 at ngayong Game 2 ay mascore ng 20 points.
Back out to Fox. And Anunoby tries to close. Fox hits the Fox searching. Sees an opening, gets inside, and late 2-on-1 break. Alley-oop to Fox. He lays it up and in.
Sadyang naging maganda lang ang laruan ng New York Knicks dahil naging balanse ang lahat ng inaasahang gagawa ng opensa. Pinangunahan naman ni Towns ang opensa ng Knicks na umiscore ng 21 points.
That did not read the floor. Towns drives on Cornet, lays it in as he goes back in for the first time for the Knicks. Towns steps back and Towns drives inside and slams it home.
Mikal Bridges na may 20 points, 8 out of 13 sa field.
Towns gets it, kicks it back out. Bridges, corner three, it's good. Spectacular defensive play. Bridges nails the times. Right back out. Bridges, corner three is good.
At Jalen Brunson na may 20 points, 7 out of 25 lang sa field.
Brunson pulls up three-pointer, knocks it down. Timeout. Brunson on the drive, stops, falling away. It's up, it's good. There's Brunson, goes at Champagnie. Layup is up and good.
Makabawi pa kaya ang San Antonio Spurs sa Game 3 o tuluyan ng iti 3-0 ng New York Knicks?